On Sunday, Ukrainian drones struck Plesetsk, Russia's only military spaceboat, 1,700 kilometers from the border, the longest range strike of this war. The same week, for a third straight night, drones hit Ozon's logistics warehouses across southern Russia. Plesetsk launches Russia's Rasvet satellites, its answer to Starlink, and tests the Sarmat intercontinental missile. The strike landed during an active rocket launch, Russia's own space chief said. Meanwhile, Ozon warehouses in Stavropol, Dagestan, and Adygia all burned, and in Krasnodar, falling drone debris killed 2 children. This isn't an isolated hit. Ukraine has now struck a satellite center near Moscow in June, a rocket and space center in Samara in mid-August, and now Plesetsk. An expanding campaign scholars are calling Russia's space war, run in parallel with the Ozon strikes. It targets 2 different centers of gravity at once. The war economy that finances the front, and the military technological base that arms it. 1,700 kilometers used to mean safe. It no longer does. Every strike like this narrows what counts as Russia's rear, right as ceasefire talks remain stalled and Moscow has nowhere left to call untouchable. Ukraine no longer separates Russia's war economy from its war machine. This week, both were inside the target envelope. If you found this useful, subscribing is the biggest help. For the full history and chronology of this war, watch our course, Russia-Ukraine War, History, Analysis, Chronology, linked below. And if you'd like to go a step further, there's a super thanks button on this video. Putting together sourced, verified analysis like this takes real research time, and any support is genuinely appreciated.